Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to find the invoice or the e-ticket of a purchased product on the Zara application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then tap on the profile icon down below, which is the fourth option. As you can see in the purchases section, you need to select a purchased product that you would like to get the invoice of. So just simply tap on the picture, then select options, and then you should decide whether you would like to view the invoices or the e-ticket and click on the relevant one. I'm going to click on view invoices. And now if you click on this icon, the invoice of your order will appear to you. By going back and repeating these steps, you can also open the e-ticket. By using this QR code, you will able to see the e-ticket of your purchased products. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.